What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know I look crazy. Let me move this shit. So this is a little bit different. It's gonna be a clean with me video, and I never did one of these videos, obviously. I was looking these videos up on YouTube for like, I don't know why, I just was, and it inspired me to do one. I was gonna do my whole house, but no. I just don't have the motivation to do that right now. I don't even want to do this room, but I feel like I need to do it. And first of all, okay, let me just get a couple of things straight. My house is not dirty whatsoever. Anytime anyone comes in my house, they're like, bitch. And I sound like this because I'm congested. I don't have COVID or nothing like that, but I'm like real congested. Allergies. But yeah. Anyways, my house is not dirty. Anytime anyone comes in my house, they're like, oh my wig's right here. I'm getting distracted, okay? They're like, bitch, your house is so clean, oh my god, and they're always complimenting me on that. But there's one room in my house. Well, before I get into that, I have not been feeling 100% mentally, and I don't know why, because literally nothing's wrong. Like, my life is pretty good right now, to be honest. So I don't know, you know how you just get in those moods like when you're down and you like there's no reason for you to be down. It's just that, and I don't know. So like when I get like that, I literally do nothing all day, because y'all know, if you've watched me, I'm not working right now. Well, besides like YouTube and OnlyFans, but like I don't have like a 9 to 5 right now. So I'll get into these moods. Well, lately I've been in this mood where I'm like depressed for no reason, anxiety for no reason, like I don't know why, and like I just do nothing all day. And the rest of my house is clean because it's just me. Like I don't do anything. Like I don't know how to cook, so the kitchen's always clean. Like in my living room, like the rest of the house clean. Like I said, people come in my house, they're like, bitch, it's so clean in here. But there's one room, my extra room, and this is where I shoot my like videos in most of the time, and like post pictures for OnlyFans, take pictures, get ready in here, my vanities in here. This room gets so messy so quick. Like I could clean it and it's dirty that day. So I just feel like, I don't know, watching those cleaning videos, clean with me videos. There's a bug, it's outside. It's a bee. I don't know, that kind of just motivated me to clean this room, because it's a mess. I'm gonna show y'all when I get up, but like it's not really dirty, like I can't explain it. Just like shit's everywhere, nothing has a place in here. It's just because I'm constantly taking stuff out of places to put stuff on, to do my makeup, to do my hair. There's clothes in here. It's like it cannot stay clean. So I'm like trying my best to get this room cleaned and stay clean. My neighbors are walking past, probably like, why is this bitch in the window like this? I don't know. This is gonna be a long intro. I don't know, I'm just trying to explain this the best I can. I just like watching those videos, like really motivated me to clean. And I know there's people out there like that suffer from like depression, anxiety, and they like go forever without cleaning the rooms and shit. Cause like I seen those, sorry, distracted. I see those videos on TikTok all the time. So maybe this can encourage you guys, if you're feeling how I've been feeling lately, to clean, or not even clean, just to motivate you in some way. I don't know. Hopefully this video gives you some kind of motivation. And also they're like very therapeutic to watch those cleaning videos. So yeah, anyways, I tried to explain that the best I can. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Janique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. I'm knocking shit over. Period. We turn up on this channel. I have more great content like this, but not really, because this is my first video like this, but I'm going to make it more. I guess I'll just start cleaning, but let me show you guys the room first. Let me fix my wig real quick. So this is the room. shoes right here. I mean, that could stay there, I guess. I have other shoes in my living room too. I just need to fix them up and bring some other shoes in here. I don't know why the extension cord's right there. I just did my feet the other day, so that's why I stole it and put it away. Over here, I have my stuff I use to film, and then my wig is in this bin. I need to wash it. There bin back there. I just have like clothes and I have things in there. I don't even know what's in there. Clothes are on the floor. I have my fucking scale. And that white bin on the floor is like clothes I need to put on Poshmark. I got rid of my Poshmark because I was in the middle of moving and I couldn't keep up with it. But I started a new one. I'm going to put new clothes on there, and that's all clothes I need to put on there. I have not done that yet because no motivation. That means my vanity. Shit all over the floor. Like, oh my god. Like I said, I'm constantly taking stuff. There's toilet paper. Like, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. It's a mess. Even the inside needs cleaned. That's pretty much it. The closet, it's not that bad. I'm probably just gonna leave it. Like I said, it's not that bad, but it definitely needs some straightening up. So, keep messing with this wig. That's what we're gonna do. And like I said, I do not feel like doing this right now, but I need to do it. Here we go. Okay, it's 4:40 p.m. I'm gonna start and see how long this takes me to clean. So I went to go get a bag so I could throw all the trash away that was in this room, because that's why I just had trash thrown around, because I didn't have a bag in the trash bin. So that's my bad. But yeah, that's why I went to go get the bag. You know, lazy, just lazy, no excuses. But I'm gonna be throwing all the trash away. Look at it, look at it. Okay. So right here, I'm just going to be cleaning off my vanity because I really want to clean like the glass top part of it because it was just so dirty and makeup all over it. So I'm just getting everything off my vanity so I can get ready to wipe it down. So I got everything cleaned off, and I'm just going to be using a glass cleaner to spray it down and wipe all the makeup off of it because, like I said, the top part of the vanity is glass. So I was cleaning the top of my vanity and notice how like dirty these white things are getting that I keep some stuff in. Like these are literally all makeup palettes. I have like bath and shower stuff in other bins, but I thought I would clean those. I'm gonna clean it with this Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Like, look, this is dirty. Ew. So I'm just gonna wipe these off because that was bothering me. The inside probably needs cleaned too, but we're gonna save that for another day. One step at a time, people. But yeah, that was really dirty. So I'm gonna clean all these off. I have some on the other side too. But yeah. Better. So this is my little makeup mat. I just placed my makeup on. I think I got this from Five Below. So it's literally not that much money, but like as you can see, it's pretty stained by makeup. I could just go get another one, but who wants to leave the house? So I'm gonna clean it. I put dish liquid on it, and I'm just gonna clean it. I don't know how clean it's gonna get, but we'll see. Is it satisfying to watch? Probably not. Probably fucking not. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm using it's probably really dirty. I'm using really hot water. Because I had this for a while. Like I said, I could go buy another one. But why not do this? I have nothing better to do, literally. So, yeah. It's hot. Hot. Oh, it's so hot. What the fuck? It's like sticky and stuff. I'm sure I got like hair glue on it. What is this called? It's called a makeup mat. Yeah, I got it from Visa. Wait, that's clean. I'm gonna do it one more time. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. On top of my vanity bag. Now I'm gonna start cleaning the inside of here because it's just messy. I have stuff everywhere, y'all. The makeup brush goes over there. I don't know what's going on. What is this? This is like a sample I got. I might use that. Y'all, I use this not every day because I don't do my makeup every day. But every time I do my makeup, best contour. This one for my skin tone at least. 4-6. Love this. Love it. I have like hair like all in here. I'm probably gonna get like a lint brush and like do this hair up. Yeah, I actually am because everywhere. Then this is my favorite perfume. This is not a haul, I'm showing y'all shit. I got samples because I bought. There's a fucking laugh on my side again. Because I bought a set and I got a whole bunch of samples. That's my favorite perfume. This one specifically. I know they have other. I don't know the difference. But this is the one I like. It looks like this. This is a big bottle. But yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just clean this girl now. I told you I needed to straighten this little corner with these shoes in it up. I brought some more shoes that I had in the living room in this room just to get them out the way because it's the shoes I really don't wear too often. So I'm just going to keep them here, and it has a perfect little spot in this room. So I'm just straightening that up now. Okay, so like I said, I do my hair and everything in this room. So I use I don't know what it's called. It's like the extension of the vacuum. I use that to get all the hair up first so it doesn't get caught in the little circular things in the vacuum. I don't know what that's called either. But yeah, I do that. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now that the room is basically all clean, I'm just going to go in and disinfect everything with Lysol wipes. And I'm also going to use a spray. You'll see. I like to do this daily at my house, even though it's just me. Just, you know, it's good to keep the germs away anyways. So I do this in all my rooms on a daily basis. But you'll see here just disinfecting the room. Alright, y'all, so the room is done. I'm hot as fuck. You'll probably hear my fan in the background. Sorry, I'll talk up, but it's hot, like I said. It's now basically 6 o'clock, so it took me an hour and 20 minutes to clean this whole room, which is not bad. I definitely could have got it done sooner. I was taking breaks and stuff, I'm not even gonna lie. Like I said, it's hot. I ain't got my air conditioners in yet because it's April, but we gonna need them soon. I look terrible, but I'm gonna show y'all the room. Looks a lot better. I'm glad I did this. I know, I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna, I was putting it off and putting it off, so I guess it'll make me feel a little bit better. Like I said, I haven't been in the best mood, like mentally. I'm just not like all the way there right now. So hopefully this will make me feel a little bit better, because I was putting this off forever. Now it's clean, hopefully it stays that way. But yeah, I'll show you guys the room now. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. I kind of enjoyed filming it, actually, and getting some stuff off my chest, because I don't have much people to talk to be honest. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a shower now. If you guys like these videos, I will be doing more, so hopefully you guys like it. I know it's different, but yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.